I'll close these things. To learn PowerShell, what are the important things to know it? So of course, you can go to WQ3 schools and other websites also available. Why it is not going control? Right. So search for a PowerShell here. Only it is finding is not working. Okay, so there you can find PowerShell from here. So then you can see where is it. So this is about Python, but I'm trying to type it. It's very easy, right? Not the Windows button. It is just. Like this, it will open. It is not opening in this side. Yeah, it is open now. Power BI, PowerShell. Let's say Office Tools, PowerShell. Okay, so here it is. We have a lot of tutorials. Difference between what is the features of PowerShell, history, difference between normal command and PowerShell and Bash shell. Okay, run as administrator, ISE, PowerShell core, creating a script and run, and writing a comments in that. Also, there's some commandlets are given here. Okay, and variables, automatic variables, operators. Okay, conditional statements, if statement, else statement, switch statement, do, while, for each loop is also there, while loop is also there, continuous break and statement is also there. Okay, again it will take a lot of time to explain, not much enjoyment as a Python. So because of people like Python is compared to PowerShell, but when it is come to the Microsoft programming, the PowerShell is always also comes into picture, right? So what is PowerShell? Is an automated task-based command line shell associated scripting language created by Microsoft. In a PowerShell, so a lot of things we can able to do it. So where it is? Oh, you have to save this one. My physical machine become slow also. Normally we use command prompt. Command prompt basically Win32 execution part. Okay, it runs in Win32. So earlier days we use a DOS operating system. So next Windows operating system came up, but a few things we do with the command lines only, like how to for creating a files, directories, task management, like that we will do with the command prompt. So later on days, like a Windows 7 onwards, the PowerShell is introduced. PowerShell 1, PowerShell 2, like that. Okay. I think currently PowerShell 6 is there in the market. Okay. It is a .NET based programming code. Okay, so in a Windows, both are works, both .NET based applications and Win32 based applications. CMD basically Win32 applications. Whether it is CMD or PowerShell, basic commands are comes with operating system. Basic commands are works. In a PowerShell, Okay, so also the commands based on a by installing modules. Different modules are there. For example, Active Directory related module, Active Directory related modules. Okay, maybe automation related like a DSC, disaster configuration related module, network related modules. So different modules install, so then automatically different type of commands you can able to operate. Okay. Next, so advantage of this PowerShell is we can use as a regular commands. Regular command kind of stuff, command revise CLI, regular CLI, we can use it. So one thing. Second one is we can execute both CMD and bash commands also, means Linux commands also we can able to execute it. Okay, not all bash commands, but few commands will work. So there is a including in their libraries. We can do remote access. We can access remote systems using PowerShell Direct. Okay, and PowerShell Direct is to connect and access. PowerShell Direct is also remote access only to access your nano servers. Okay, to access nano servers. Okay, remote servers kind of stuff also we can able to access. And we can do scripting. You can write a bash shell scripting, Python scripting, okay, Perl scripting, like that. PowerShell, using PowerShell also you can do scripting. So this is a very simple way to tell a PowerShell. Of course, you need a good description and also you can see why use PowerShell, both scripting and command line, interacting with the different number of technologies, allowed complete access to all types in the .NET framework. It is object based. Many interface of GUI that Microsoft designed for various products are for front end interface to the PowerShell. Means things we do in a GUI mode, we can do it the PowerShell also. More secure than running VBScripts. So in generally, we are installing an application or maybe are opening something. So then backend VBScripts are there to process it, but it is not much secure. Why? Because of any viruses is initially attacks on a that VB related scripts only, like a .cmd, okay, .bat type of scripts are there. .vb script also there, like that. Easily they can attack, but PowerShell is a more secure. It is not much easy to attack on that. So the basic virus. It allows performing repetitive tasks more efficient by combining multiple commands by writing scripts. Like you want to do certain task, you write a script by writing a multiple commands in it, and run the script, you do it. Suppose a system administrator want to create hundreds of Active Directory users, you can achieve this with the help of only some PowerShell commandlets placed in the script. Many complex time-consuming configuration tasks done in the seconds with a simple command. So this is we put it here. Why we use the PowerShell? Okay, it is a scripting language and command lines also available. It is object-oriented language. It's a secure language. It is, and we can perform the regular GUI mode task also with the PowerShell. And there is a thing is there now given, like we can write Active Directory, right? Active Directory related kind of stuff. PowerShell. So earlier days, means when I started this 2012 server time, people are asking, sir, we want a PowerShell command to see the how to work with. So then I'll show them how to create a user accounts with the PowerShell, or how to load user accounts data to your Active Directory from the CVS comma separated values kind of stuff, how to load that kind of stuff, and also how to create a OUs, users, groups, how to delete it, how to check it, like that. So I showed that comments. Lot of people say like, no, sir, we don't require. PowerShell is very easy to learn, of course, but how to learn PowerShell is like, the step by step how to do normal CMD, normal GUI port. Like you want to create a folder. You want to create a folder. So then obviously how you create a folder, the steps, obviously we can understand commands. Guys, learning of a PowerShell is different from learning of commands in the Linux, normal CMDs, or Python or Java. It's completely different. Okay, PowerShell learning is completely different. Okay, so here we don't have a commands. We have a commands. We call it as a commandlets. We have a commandlets. Now, first of all, how to open this PowerShell? We'll see it. How to different ways to open the PowerShell. One is just go to search or a Windows, type PowerShell. Why my system is slow? This is slow. I can understand. So only 2 GB. I didn't open much. Click here. So search bar, type PowerShell. It is PowerShell, PowerShell ISC. These two are things we do. If you want to open PowerShell, run as administrator, you can directly run as administrator or directly can open the PowerShell. Guys, this is the blue color window. Don't change the color settings. If you change the color setting again, it is difficult to change it. So color type of commands will come now. So that's why. You want to increase the font size. You can right click on this symbol, go to properties. You can increase the font size as per your requirement. But don't change the colors. Background color, foreground colors, do not change it. It's a color window it is. So when you see a command like a C colon like this, but look at this PS. PS means you open a PowerShell. You can put any command, just a get disk, for example. Displaying, it will display the your disk related information. So how many disks you are connected and their information, like a GPT type of disk or MBR type of disk, like that. Yeah, first it is little slower, but later it will work normally. I put a CLS, again I'm putting same command. See, look at here, I have a 2 hard disks are there, both are healthy, both are online. One is MBR type, another is a GPT type, and size of the disk you can able to see it. Okay. So that is one way to open the PowerShell. Second, I'm going to CMD, regular CMD only. So I want to do some task in the PowerShell. So simply type PowerShell, enter. Now my command prompt become PowerShell command prompt. I can give command, same command, get disk. So you can see the information. So this is PowerShell one. I'm exit. Then my command prompt is came. Okay, so this is one way. So third one of the PowerShell means PowerShell ISC, direct PowerShell ISC. People who want to do scripting, kind of stuff, so they can use ISC. It's a scripting environment, like a, we have a IDEs are there now. So this is a IDE, PowerShell IDE type only. So we can do the scripting, and lot of help also we will get it. Okay, if you don't know, also we can do so many things. So this is the main plane. In this one, we put write a script. If you execute, it execute in the your regular command prompt. Here it is in the PowerShell command prompt only. Okay, here we write a script, we execute here, it will show the output, executed here and show the output here. Okay, and of course there's a one more window is missing, that is another window generally it opens, that is help related one. Help means you know the command but you don't know how to use it. So there you can just fill the form and insert, automatically command will completely inserted. So I am running only one command. So just run, like this is the run button. Like this it is shows. You want to run multiple commands at a time. So get disk, get user, get local user. See, help is there. You can understand very easily. Get local users. Get network IP address, like this. So I'm running 3 commands at a time. This is a run script. This is run selection, means which one you want to run. Selectively you can run it, but here it is run script F5. So first one is, it is run. So this is the previous one, get disk. This is get disk. Next one is this command get disk is running. Okay, after that one it is running get local user. So it is information about local user. So this is my user. This is SID of a user, SID. Okay, and other information also you can able to get it. Next, this is the IP addresses, IP address related information. Okay, so different IP. I have a lot of IP adapters then, so then it is showing all the adapters information. Also, you can write a scripts like a if loop, for loop, while loop, and you want a hyphen interface index or prefix, like that. So you can see interface index. What is mine is name is Wi-Fi. Interface by alias is Wi-Fi. So I go to interface. Alias. Interface alias is no, Wi-Fi. I want to run only this command like this. Now it is throwing an error. Index is better. Try this one. Yeah. See this? I'm getting only IP address of my Wi-Fi adapter. Okay, so Wi-Fi adapter, this is index 35 is a index number, Wi-Fi adapter. So this is my IP address. Okay, remaining information. This is a basically file. So you can write a scripting like if loop, for loop, while loop, or multiple commands, and you can run it. Once you're done, you want to save this as a file. Also, you can save it. Just you can go to save script and save it as a ps1.ps1 extension. I'm removing wing, so just B15. Yes, B15. Yeah, it is. I want to save in yours. I saved it. I written a script. Think like I am written a script. Now I want to run that script. So where it is in the E drive. Where it is located, E drive. 1 second. Okay. Jason, you. Your batch 15 only. Oh. So I went to your batch 15. I want to run that program. So dot slash ps like this. See this? The script is running, but it is why it is showing a lot of data here. So instead of user information also there. Okay, then I will go to that file. This is the file we created. So right click edit. You can edit the file with a notepad also. Or you can open with the PowerShell ESC also. Just I'm going to open with notepad. Okay, here. So you can give option like a local user -name, only particular user, or a filters you can use it. We'll see whether it is works or not. Only no, it is showing lot of only particular only one user, but there is a lot of data is there. Okay, lot of other data is also came with this one. Just you have to use multiple filters. So this is a PowerShell script running, and also you can do using CMD. PowerShell in E drive, you have a batch 15. Inside you will see PS, this one. It's not running. Why? Because of it is not a PowerShell kind of stuff. It is not understanding how to run this file. Okay, so yeah, it's okay now, Alan. We don't do it. So this is the way you can able to open. So one is open PowerShell. Another one is PowerShell ISC, and in command prompt, just type PowerShell. You'll get a PowerShell window also. This is 3 environments. Sure. There is advantages, disadvantages of a PowerShell is there. Just we can go through it. Okay, guys, just understand how to open a PowerShell, because I'm going to open again. in a PowerShell, commands, we call it as a commandlets. Okay, we don't have a commands, we have a commandlets. The commandlets are noun and verb type. Okay, like in English language, we have a nouns, verbs, subjects, objects kind of stuff. It's like a noun and a verb type it is. So to get any information of something, we use get. Okay, we use get. So we'll go to directly get hyphen something, or like a get disk I showed, right? Next, you want to change something, set. Okay. That is used to get information. That is used to set information. No. Set is used to change setting. Start. Up. Add. Remove. Regular versions. Add, remove. New. New is to creating new things. Creating new things. Okay. So these are the very basic things, like a get to set, start to stop, restart, adding, removing, creating new one, like this. These are the most common words we use it. Okay. Next, how to use it. For example, get disk. So that is the command I showed, right? So what is the get disk? Get the disk information. Get user, local user, not active directory user, AD user, local user. Get local user, so local user information. Get network IP address. You want to see IP address. Get command. For example, you want to create a new file, new item. Is a file or a directory, you can create a new item. Okay. I will show you like a I will think so. Get currently process. Process. Okay, so you will get a current process running. You want to stop the process. Stop process. You want to start the process. Start that process. Like this also we'll get it. Get location. To know where is your current location. Okay, you can change the location also. You can change the location. Get child item. What is the content? Just like it is AR in DOS commands or LS in a Linux commands. It is like a PW type. PWD. Present working directory. Okay. It's like a stop process, get process. New item is also like a mkdir. We create a files directories for mkdir for a directory. For creating files, you use touch command like that. This is also like a IP config type only, or if config. Okay. So same like a disk management like that only. So we'll see these commands how it is works. Okay. Get hyphen disk. Disk. See, I use get and I put a D and I press the tab button. It is automatically showing the different types. So get date is there. So today's date. Get date. Get time. time zone it is time. Why? Get date and get time both are same. The date only time is came, so then like this. So already I showed get days, get location. So what is my current location? Get child items. Big list only. These are all are the directories and files located in this current directory. I'm going to change my directory to do a few things like how to change directory also there. How to change directory, set directory or what?
Yeah, sir. For changing, we use sets.
So set location. Okay, so I'm going to E drive B15 drive. Yeah, set location. Okay, set location. I can use CD command, but we are in a PowerShell, right? So I want to use the PowerShell command. Set location. I'm not copying anything in a page. So what are the commands we use? Set location. So here it is. E drive slash batch 15 2022 like this. Check it, the current location. You can go again, get child items. See, these are all in your current location. You can see python.exe, Windows 10. So it depends upon your time creation or a modification, something it is showing like this. Or sizes. Get child item. We can't do anything, just okay. Show command, show content, show firewall. Okay. Get content. Get content means what is the content of the file? This is a PNG file. We need a .txt file. Okay, normal file. Okay, so python.txt is there. So I need a very small file. So maybe we'll go to this one. Today's one, 14 kind of stuff. This is we'll see. This is the content of the file. Okay, this is the content of the file. Get content. Get content. Okay. LS or clear. You can use both the things. Okay. LS, LS also works. LS, PWD also works. Okay. Windows commands also work. DOS commands works. Linux commands works. Okay. PowerShell commands also work. Yeah. I want to create a new file here. Okay. I want to create a new file here. New item. Okay. Name of the item. Okay. Name of the file. I put a file name is B15 file1 .txt and a type of file. What type file you want to create? You want to create a directory or just a file? Item type, sorry. Item type is the file. So file is created. It does not contain anything, but we have to verify file is created or not. See, it is B file1 is created. It does not contain anything, just you have to add the content. New item. We created a file. So you want to see what is the content of that file. Get content. Nothing is there. You want to add a content to that file. This is B15 file 1 file. So to whom I want to connect. So name of the file is B15. Oh, I got error. We don't understand which item it is. Add content. To whom? It's not required to tell any which file name it is, but get content. So it is not added. It is created a new file like this instead of adding to it. Forget like this. Set content one. We'll see. Set content is working like this. This is set content. And check it with the get content. So if you want to add content is also correct. Okay, and check it. This is there. So only thing is we miss. We have to tell it is text value. Add content. Okay, like this we can delete it. You can remove also. You can remove the files also. We can do it. Currently, that's like to show you how to do it. And also you can create a new directories, new item. So item name is like a directory I want to create, like a 1.5 directory I'm creating directly. So you have to tell name is V15 and it is a item type. What you want to create is directory I want to create it. Directory is created. So directory is created like this. Okay. You want to copy anything, just copy item. Which one you want to copy the file to V15 directory. Check it whether it is copied or not. Yeah, copied. You want to see the content, means get child item like this. It is done. Same move item. Okay, remove item. Copy. Some commands, guys. We can't show you all the commands. It's not a Linux or anything. We don't have any time or a dedicated part. And I don't know how many people really interested to go for it. That's why we will also stop reading that one, doing that one. So I'll create a new file and I will move it. Okay. New item. Item name is B15 file2.txt. Item type is file. I created a file and I put something in it. So how you put? We use a set and add also we use it. Add means it will append. Add is append. Set is replace. Value. So you put a this is B15 file2 file. So dot B15 file 2. So added it. Okay, so then see what is the content of it. Anybody thinking it is a Greek and Latin kind of stuff? Okay, now I want to move this file. So first of all, we have to check it. File is created or not here. Yeah. File 2 is created. See, it is created and text is also there. Now move item. Okay. Which item you are to move? So we have to tell file 2.txt and where you want to do 15. So moved it means it removed from here, it pasted here. Okay, that is called a moving. So I created a file. Don't require all these things. This is moving item, that is copying item. You want to remove item. B file 1, I want to delete it. Okay, inside this directory, there is a file, I removed it. That file 1, I removed it. This is remove. How to verify? You can see get child items, then you can able to see that one. Okay, anyway, I told some comments which is related to file management, file and directory management. How to create a directory, how to create a file, how to add a content to file, how to copy a file to another directory, how to move a file, how to remove a file. Maybe there is a rename kind of stuff is also there. Okay, how to delete a directories like a remove item with a force kind of stuff is also there. Process related management is also I will tell. Okay, look at here, guys. This is won't work here. You have to open your PowerShell as a run as a administrator. Go to PowerShell, run as a administrator. Yeah, it is asking something. Yes, click on yes. So you can see it is a run as an administrator type. So I am going with first get process. Simply get process. It is scroll up completely, but you have to control or kill the process kind of stuff. So compulsory we need a thing. Okay, so here it is handles CPU ID like this, and finally process name. So to open and close, we need something related to the process we have to open, which is the better one. I will open VirtualBox, Oracle VirtualBox, or you can open a putty. Small application is better. VLC player. Okay, so what happened? It is open or not? Yeah, so putty is open. Again, I check the get process. It is went so many things. Check where putty is there. Here it is a putty 3. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I want to see only that process, get process, putty. It is 3, it is there like this. Yes. This is putty 3. This is the get process. So see, it is putty is open. Okay. So I want to kill the process. Or stop the process or start the process. You can able to do it. Kill is not working. I'm going to use stop. Stop process is there. So same you have to give putty 3, the process name. So we can't stop this one. How to kill the process. Okay, what happened? When you got a dot, you got a question that is important. No need to know everything. Okay, so kill process in PowerShell. Like that only you can able to learn. Otherwise you can't. So this is given is not a PowerShell task kill. It's a CMD1 as I know, but about a process. The stop process only. Okay, stop process. Pass through what if confirm hyphen name like this. Okay, we'll try stop process. So first of all, get process. This is get process. First stop process, and we'll try to find options here. Process name or based on a process name or ID. Name or ID. You can use ID or you can use process name also. Process name putty in brackets 3 like this. Now it is gone. So you can see it is gone. Okay, it is closed, not deleted. It is just I closed that one. End process. Guys, understand how to do it?
So
how to do it? You know the basic command, or at least say what is the task. I'm not talking about how to do it. I'm talking about, you know, the command, basic command, okay, and or you are to do some task, or you think you want to do something like this, like you want to kill the process. Okay, so what to do? Very simple. Search in a Google, properly search in a proper place. Okay, best is always Microsoft. Okay, then try to do from there. Okay, so if you know the very basic things, you can also do it like this. Stop process. Okay, suspend process, test connection, test path, wait process. See, these are all commands only. Okay, PowerShell get, package management, move item, copy item. There are so many things are there. Clear item, clear recycler bin. So you'll get a lot of things from here.
yes, 7.2. Where are you? Here.
Okay. Next one is service management. Service management. This is process related. How to start services, get service. Okay. So how to, once you are involved with the PowerShell, it is very easy. Like once you learn PowerShell, it is very difficult to learn other things, other commands related one. If you learn a PowerShell command, because of in a PowerShell, everything we do regularly, just you should know how you are doing in a time and how to practice the words automatically will do it. So get process. So this is the entire process list. Stopped process, running process. Okay, process name like this. So you'll go top. See it is status of the process, name, and display name. You can choose any process from here. App information. I will choose always application identity. It is a process is stopped. So what I'm going to do is I will start this process and I will stop the process also. So I will take the name. Okay, so what I'm trying to do is get process of Butler process. See, you can see this Butler process on it is a stopped process. Okay, so also you can go to parallelly because we are in a Windows system. So go to services.msc, check this process. Service management, where it is gone. I don't know. It's okay, it will come. Now, how to start this process? Start. Yeah, it is open. Application identity. So this is the process. Manual one, not disabled. Okay, it is not disabled. So manual, not started. It is stopped. Okay. Now start service. Service name is this one, application identity service. Okay, service is started. Then check whether it is started or not. It is showing running. I'm looking at here. I need a refresh. See, it is running. Okay, Now I want to stop the process. Sorry, stop the service. Now I'll just very simple. Instead of get, put stop. See how to become a lazy? It is stopped. It is showing stopped, but really it is stopped or not. Just refresh this MNC. See, it is down. Okay, so this is your service management. Remote connections also we can able to do it. PS session is there. I'm removing these outputs. No, actually, I started learning the Active Directory commands and all okay, but regular PowerShell commands, I started learning the creating items kind of stuff for a one batch. That is like we have a time to teach them. Like we have to take at least one week. 1 week means like a 3-4 days only. Just we are try to engage. So then why we waste the time by talking normally? So then I started a PowerShell. So sad thing is the batch is cancelled because we expected more members. Only 6 members are joined. Actually, there is a 30 members batch. Only 6 members are there batch. So Cognizant cancelled that batch also. But I didn't wasted their times that I taught PowerShell. But I don't know how many people are remember that kind of stuff. So this is service related. Okay. There are several kind of commandlets are there, and these are the something. But also we can enable, disable kind of stuff. Also we can able to do it. For example, get local user, okay, hyphen name or SID. So I put a name. Okay, so this is enabled or not, true. Okay, so we need this one. It is not cooperating. So it is. So we'll go to run as administrator because I don't want to do this administrative task on my physical machine. Guys, how to go to local users and groups? Local users and groups.
LUSR MGR command.
Very good.
What else?
Yeah, yes. MSC. Okay, so these are the users. This is my current user. Think like there is a guest administrator is there, or you want to add a user also, we can able to add it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is this guest, I want it is in a disable mode. I want to enable it. Account is disabled. The guest is disabled. I want to enable it. Or you can create an account and you can make it as enable or a disable kind of stuff. Okay. First of all, get what happened? Get local user. Okay, so these are the users list. Administrator like this. Enable false. Okay, so then I am making guest user set local. It is taking time. So first 1 or 2 days. Yeah. User set means changing settings. I said now. Okay, so username is guest. Enable $2. What will happen is the first time? Yeah, it is gone. Set local user. Why set local user got a problem or argument problem? Set local user hyphen name guest user. $true. Why it is? Why it is? Account expiry, description, full name, password never expire. What if? Confirm, verbose. Nothing is there. Never expiry, full name, password never expiry. User may change the password. Confirm. Okay, I will create a new user and then we'll put it. New local user. So you are not in active directory. If you are in active directory, I will show you that. So new name of the user. For example, student 1 pro it is. I put a. So what happening? Student 2. Okay. Now you can put it like this. Full name, password you can assign. No password. So no password. Your dollar. What I'm trying to do is not about a user. I'm trying to show you that what is the dollar. Okay. Password never expiry. What is happening? Okay. Yeah. User is created and it is enabled. At least one but it is working. See it is. See you have to refresh. See user is created. So user must change password at next login and it is enabled. These are not having a check marks. Okay. So you can go to set kind of stuff. User may change password. User may change password only there. I put a dollar false. See it is user cannot change password, check mark is game. User cannot change password, check mark is game means I done a setting. Enable disabling of the setting. Okay. So here it is, I created a user without a password just to show you how to enable or a disable like a check mark kind of stuff using PowerShell. Okay, so that's it. Is a very powerful administrative. When we see this capital L, small capital U, capital Z, capital S, people think it is a case sensitive. Guys, it is a Windows based, Microsoft based, no case sensitive. So this is how to enable or disable certain settings. Just to show you that $true false kind of stuff. Check mark, no check mark. Of course, you can see how to do it. Okay. You can give the password also. You can give the password also. Like you want to give password, but how to give password I forget. Read post a string. No. Try this one. It is asking password now. The pass symbol. I put a password is admin @123. No. You have to tell it is a secure string. Like this. So I have to type admin @123. Then password is given. Okay, password is set. We don't know what is the password for that one. So, but it is password is set. Okay. So if to check it, I have to log in, log out. Okay. This is how to set the password. This is correct one. Because of plain text formats, you don't accept. You have to give secure passwords only. Password setting. Because of this, I told like this to the people. That's why people don't like it. Okay. So yeah, generally, last batch I told how to create a variable kind of stuff. Okay, but here I showed you how to add a user. Okay, you can delete user like this, or you can delete it user from here. Okay, because if you got a doubt whether it is command is correct or not, so type something.
Sir.
Press the tab button. Yeah, tell me.
Sir. Sir, how to switch admin to user in PowerShell? Means we can switch or not?
I didn't get it. How to?
Switch admin account to user account. Means I want to access a user account. So with the help of PowerShell, can we do it?
So you open a PowerShell, and now it is run as administrator. You want to do with the normal user.
Right, sir.
Right. I think so. Maybe there is a command. Normally, if you are login, you open a PowerShell as a normal user. So now you want to do as a admin task. There is a command is there. So if you put the command, automatically it is become a run as administrator. But better is always, yeah, if you want, you can use this one also, not required a user part. Only this part is changes, right? So like you can switch it. We can set the location automatically. Like see, go to C drive, D drive. Okay. Normal user to PowerShell, that is
Okay.
compulsory. We should search. Item searching. Or to delete. local user. Remove local user. Remove local user name student 2. Removed or not, we have to verify from here. Yeah, okay. So refresh, it got removed. Okay. So I'm giving a comments, but without giving any descriptions on it. Okay. So it's almost like a 7 o'clock, but I will tell only 2 minutes only. Guys, compulsory check this thing. I told these things just to make it liking this one. But when you're learning a command, these are commands. But I told like just to know what are the things you know in the PowerShell. Now you know how to manage the local user, how to know how to manage the local user, how to manage the services, how to manage the process, how to create a files and directories, how to copy, move or remove the files, right? How to check the current location, how to check the directory content, okay? How to check the IP address. Yeah, that is one more is there now. IP address. Get net IP address. Here it is. Already I showed. Again, you can see based on the only if you put like this, it will show you lot of information. And also you can apply. See, it is lot of things are showing here. So very big lines, right? Okay. So then you can customize it like a based on your adapter name. Based on your adapter name, what is your adapter kind of stuff. Okay, like a network. Address family, IPv4 address state, okay, IP address, okay, interface index, interface alias. So what is my network adapter? ncpa.cpl. Okay, this is my Ethernet 0. Oh, okay, we'll see one by one. 2 Ethernets are there. Ethernet 0. So only Ethernet 0 information only. And that too, you want a only IP address. Also you can try it. No, it is not coming. Okay. IPv4, IPv6. It's further filter, you have to use it. Okay. It is showing this as a IP address. Okay. So that is basic command. Alias array interface index, address family, type like this. It is you can able to show it. You can set IP address also. You can set IP address also, but I'm not doing now. I don't have any multiple NICs are there, and I want to do any administration thing. User management, IP address checking. We didn't assign IP address, so just now only I got something, but I forget. It is I showed how to see that is local kind of stuff. Okay. Okay, we'll get to things. Okay, so we'll see. Guys, whatever I'm trying to say is these are commands. Lot of commands are there. to work with PowerShell, but important to when you are learning a scripting languages, always learn how to put a variable, how to define a variable, right? Next, operators, different type of operators, check it. Okay, variables, how to define a variables and how to use operators, data types, how to define a data type. Okay, how to define a data type, print statements, okay, how to print a statement, how to take a input, okay, how to take input. Next one, this is very basics starting. So once you've done this one, then you can go for a conditional statements like a if, for, while, means loop statements, switch statements like this. Okay, remaining will come up. So compulsory check the how to define a variables, operators, and try to write at least 1 or 2 programs here, because already I given the link and already I told how to learn. Okay, so get date, get content, these are all completed. Get help is there, start process, some are done, some are not. See, variables, automatic variables, okay, operators, okay, and if, else, while, do while, this kind of stuff. At least try to this one. It is maximum off day, maximum 3 to 4 hours maximum it will take. Just I will show you the variable defining. So $A is equal to 100. So what is my $A? 100. I'm creating $B 200. So value of $B is 200. So $A, that is a variable defining. Or you can see $C is I put Pune. So $C. So variable defining like that. Okay. So which type it is, kind of stuff, we can see that one. So operators are also same thing, same type of operators, not a much differences. Plus operators, subtraction operators, okay, multiplication operators, okay, division, floor division, okay, it is not there. Reminder, okay, like this. So operators, different type of operators, just to show you like it is very easy once you are started. Okay, if it is throwing this kind of error, it means there is something issue is there. We'll do it in different way. Okay, anyway, we take the data and we'll do it. And also I put a like a this is string, this is integers, data types like integers, string, list, tuple, floats, double floats. These are all different type things are there. So $D is equal to 10.4. This is how to define. This is very simple. You can define it. Okay. Comparator operators also there. So what is a pollen? That maybe small b, same pollen. Error it is showing. Not showing error, like a true kind of stuff. For a printing, you can use echo command also, you can use it. Echo command, like a Linux echo command also you can use it. Guys, go through all Linux commands. Not today. Today, go through all the storages, backup, and PowerShell. tomorrow PowerShell, today backup and storage. Tomorrow go through PowerShells only. I will forward like a batch. Last batch I taught some commands, so then you can also try it. Anything you need it, we'll do it. Okay. So this is the point I am to say. We are learning any scripting, programming kind of stuff. You must learn these things also. Okay. There is a few symbolic things also there. So what is the use of dollar? What is at the rate? What is this kind of stuff? Okay, this kind of stuff. What is this? Where we use it? Square boxes. Okay, what is dot? What is dot like this? Okay, what is this? Where we use it? Okay, that's it. That's it for today. Well, already 7 o'clock. You are patiently listening.
Yeah.
Okay. It's a completely new, right? For a lot of people.
Yes,
Just
sir.
I'm trying to show you. Yeah, tell me. Just I'm trying to show you. If you got a doubt, no need to worry. You can search it. You can easily find it from our Microsoft website itself. Lot of things. Okay. Clear recycler bin items, clear item properties. Okay, like get process, get locations, get items. Okay, move items. A lot of package. This is I remember. I recollected now. So here it is. I want to know run as administrator. I want to know what are the services are installed, features are installed. I want to know like that. Okay. So when you open a PowerShell, guys, immediately it is very slow. It will take 2 minutes to work on it. So meanwhile, so you have to try 1 or 2 basic commands only. Okay. Get Windows features. What happened? We'll try again. Get Windows features. Windows capabilities, developer license, Windows driver, edition. Yeah, edition. That is also not coming. Any options are there? Target path, online, Windows directory, system drive, long path, paste. Windows features. Is it a command is removed or what? Features. Why this get thing is app locker. Get package provider, source, partitions. No. Not these things. Where is package management? Find package, get package. This is the package management. So important is PS means PowerShell, not PS command. So Windows features. Yeah, this is the command I type. Okay, same command only. Windows features. It is not working. Feature not working. Okay, leave it. Maybe it is removed in a new versions. We don't know. Okay, we can install the features in both Windows and Linux also. Sorry, both Windows and Windows servers. Both servers, both machines you can do it. Okay, that's it, guys. Okay, try yourself. Start learning. So I given some comments to, like, the somewhat of PowerShell. Okay, but it really better go once, try once. If any problem, then we'll see it. Okay, that's it for now.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, guys.